Guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix TeraBox slow download. If you've been facing the issue of Tera slow download and you're trying to download a large file and it just keep going very slowly, this video is for you. And if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. It really helps a lot. So first thing you have to do, you have to rest your forehead straight to your phone settings. So once you click on your phone settings, you're going to search for apps, and once you search for apps, you go through and search for So you click on TeraBox, and you're going to head straight to storage. Click on storage and clear the data, clear the cache as well. This number one, it might be as a result of bug issues and glitches. So after that, you click on force stop, and once you click on this, you head straight to Play Store or Apple Store and search for TeraBox. So search for that. So once you click on that, you check if there's any updates. You need to update the app immediately. And you should try as much as possible to only download one file at a time. That's going to really help a lot. And you need to make sure you have very strong internet connection, or maybe you're using a Wi-Fi. You can just quickly change it to mobile data, or maybe using the mobile data you have to switch to Wi-Fi. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.